Here we are. Finally cleaned out. I cleaned out the bed of my 2009 Ranger 6 days ago. It just had all kinds of dirt and gunk and bolts and metal and rope and chains and all that. And I got all of these bed bolts loosened up. There's 5 per side. I thought there would just be 2 or 3 per side, but there's a 2009. It uses a T55 bit. Let me show you the bit right here. It's got a star pattern to it. I don't know if it's focusing that well, but it's little stars right here. But I got my 3/4 inch cheap Chinese socket set thing with a 3/4 to 1/2 inch adapter. It's working pretty good. I bought this thing, I don't know how many years ago, 20, 25, 30 years ago. I haven't used it that much, but I need it tonight for getting these bolts off. Yeah, this truck was hit the what was it, May of 2018, hit this left rear corner here. Well, gotta move my finger up there, which totaled the truck, and the State Farm insurance adjuster said the frame was straight. Well, it's bowed a little bit on the passenger side. Not really bad, but it's bowed a little bit. But I think I'm just going to build a flatbed on this truck. I think. I'm not 100% sure. I do have another bed. I bought another bed after the first time it was hit. This bed has been hit 3 different times by 3 different women drivers. There was a 4th time a woman just tapped the rear bumper in front of a bar and just left some paint, and we didn't pursue a claim. It wasn't worth it. And then about 1.5 years ago, this side of the bed got dented in on a pizza delivery when I slid down a hill where there was ice under the snow that I couldn't see. So it's not a single straight body panel on this pickup bed, but I picked a good day to loosen the bed bolts in this truck, because it got up to 95 degrees today. Got every one of these loose. Sometimes to remove these bolts, people need to spray like a WD-40 or a JB-80 or something on the underside, but I got all 10 of them to break loose. So I really picked the best day to do this without using chemicals. So I put my impact wrench in this socket, and it wouldn't move. It just vibrated, and it's like, oh crap. So, you know, I can still do this. I still have enough strength to do this. So, but the more looser I get these bolts, the head moves around a little bit. So it's been a really hot day today. They had heat warnings. Okay. I get so far, then I take the bit off. Oh. Take the bit off, and then I put it on the 1/2 inch drive, speed it up a little bit. That's 3. hell this one is. Oh, it's in there kind of stiff. It's 10 after 9 p.m. So if I keep at this, I'm gonna have to pull my other Ranger around and turn the headlights on this. 6 days ago, I did the same thing when I was cleaning out the bed. This is what happens to the bed of your truck when you have dirt sitting in it and stuff. It just, moisture can get trapped under the dirt and the paint starts flaking and it starts rusting. So, but anyway, that's my fault. Ooh. Okay. More of my coconut juice. Oh, this is so much better than winter time. Even though I've gotten bit by 2 mosquitoes so far. One right here, another right here. Having sugar in my diet makes that worse, so that's my fault. I wish I had money to own a property. I don't own this property I'm on here. It's just kind of rent part of it.
Was that old true pitch in the dirt.
Senator, when Republicans get back into power, and they must, in the process of defunding what is this hideous wokeification of the U.S. military.
Lord, couldn't be with you. It's absolutely vital that we get the military back focused on what it's supposed to do, which is protecting this country and fighting the wars. That is actually protecting the security of the United States.
Well, I'm guessing in 10 years I won't be able to do this. Hopefully in 5 I still can. I won't be taking the bed off tonight. I should have brought my... Okay, let me hit the button. 20% battery. Should have brought my regular drill with. I bought a pretty nice drill last week. Okay. Switch to the smaller one. We're halfway through. Well, more than halfway through. Oh, I probably should plug my phone into the charger so it doesn't go dead.
Please respond to this letter with full account. The wire office didn't immediately arrest those who illegally flocked around Kavanaugh's home on June 8th, hours after the assassination attempt, and also while you're dragging your feet on arresting criminals for firebombing.
There. My last phone charger cord I bought was 10 feet long. I don't know why so many places. I just didn't need a 10-foot long cord, but oh well. Let's see there. I think it's charging. Yeah, okay, it's charging. Oh, my face is sweating. I might have to move my other Ranger around and shine the headlights on the bed of this truck. There are mosquitoes. Wish there was more of a breeze coming through here. Must be all the trees around me. Kind of stopping some of the breeze, but oh well. I'm not gonna die. Ah. Okay, there. Ooh, yeah. Okay, get the big wrench. You know, it's actually healthy to sweat. It helps your body get poisons out. Ah, okay, that thing's stubborn. I think I can tilt the phone down a little bit more. Wonder if there's any juice in the battery of this truck. Anyway, well, get the little stool. For those people with Ford Rangers, the spare bed I have for this truck that I bought after the first time it got damaged, I weighed it. I had it tipped up on end, and I wiggled it side to side, kind of walked it onto a bathroom scale. And a Ford Ranger, 20, probably would be what, 99 to 2011, 7-foot long bed Ranger bed, without tail lights, without a tailgate on, weighs right on 200 pounds. Ooh, okay. I think I gotta sit down and get some leverage. Oh. This one's being a little bit more stubborn. But it will be nice to get this done. Here and there, about once a week, I've been working on this. I think it was 2 weeks ago, I removed the toolbox from the bed of this truck. Oh boy, I'm sweating. Oh, come on. Darn, stupid ratchet. There, okay, there we go. Might have to buy a new one of these. What brand is this one? Boss Stitch. Maybe go to Lowe's and buy a Craftsman one. Hopefully they're as good as the Sears Craftsman one from years ago. Wow, 19 minutes and a half. Now if I got a cherry picker. I was going to take my Sawzall, cut the front corner of the bed, cut along the left side, cut the left side off, and then do the same thing on the other side, cut the right bed side off, and then come through and loosen these bolts, because then it'd be easier to lean over. But anyway, I think I'm going to save part of this floor in case I have to patch up a rusty spot in my other Ranger. Okay, there. Right there. Now doing the very front one. see if it'll tilt. How far? Ooh, oh, right down on it. Oh, that's cool. Okay. When I started doing this, I used this breaker bar. It's pretty handy just for breaking them loose, but I don't need it now. Okay, switch to the shorter one. So 7 down, 3 to go. Eight down, 2 to go. I haven't broke a single bolt yet. Usually, when I go on the Ranger forums, they say it's typical to break one of these bolts when you remove the bed bolts on a Ranger. Okay, move the magnet mount over here. Move it down. Okay, I'm gonna get this one here. Through much of my life, I did not drink enough water. I would go through a typical day and I'd have half a glass of water, maybe 1 glass, maybe 1.5, maybe 2, because I hated the sensation of having to urinate. Well, what happened is the poisons in my body needed a way to get out. So when I did sweat or urinate, or there's what I call happy fluids. I'm not going to say what that is. They all smelled pretty bad, especially my happy fluids. And once I started drinking more water each day, I started to feel my health. I feel worse if I don't drink enough water. Oh, darn it. I think I need the flashlight now. Okay. Ooh, okay, I'm starting to strip that one. Okay, I don't want to strip that one. Darn it. Shit. Oh well. Okay, well I got 8 of them. Last one doesn't look stripped. Ouch. This would be nicer if I had the bed sprayed out where there's no dirt. Oh well. It rained just a little bit yesterday. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Deadbolt number 9 is out. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm hoping I can still get this one out. I'm hoping. Come on, please. Darn it. Always one that has to be the troublemaker. Well, what am I gonna do? I don't know. I guess I could take the angle grinder and just grind the head off. Ain't gonna do it now, it's after 9 p.m. Oh well. If I could get it loose enough, I get it to the point where there's less torque needed to get it to move. If only they made the head deeper. Oh well. Maybe I should pull up in the corners of the bed and see. I should be able to pull up in the corners of the bed. Tilt the phone up. This rechargeable flashlight gets really hot. It's really warm. It's an LED. Yeah, the bed moves. The bed will move. Okay, well, I guess that one last bolt will be for another day. So, thanks for watching. I'll probably do another video where I take the angle grinder, and just grind that sucker off. Grind the head off, take the washer up, pull it up, pull the bed up. I got to take the taillights out and unhook the wires for the taillights. Then I gotta unhook the gas filler hose on the driver's side. So, all right, thanks for watching. See ya.